How to redeem a GameStop gift card on the app. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can redeem a GameStop gift card on the app, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you would like to redeem a GameStop gift card on the app, if you're using from browser as well, the process is typically very simple. All you have to do is go ahead and launch the GameStop application here. Make sure that you are logged into your account and then add the products that you want to buy to your cart. So you have to use a GameStop gift card during the checkout process when you're trying to pay. So you have to tap the cart icon from the bottom right. Make sure to review the products that you'd like to add over here, and then you can just tap the checkout button. When you tap the checkout button, if you look under this payment tab, you'll see add gift card or trade-in credit. Now you can also just try to change your shipping address over here if you'd like, and then from there you can just go ahead and select that, tap on save and continue, and from there you should be able to go ahead and then basically find the payment option. Under payment option you'll find the add a gift card option, which you can use to use the gift card from the app. This way you can redeem a GameStop gift card from the app. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.